The Finnish smartphone maker HMD has launched its new special Barbie-themed retro flip phone in the US and in some European market called HMD Barbie. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this phone. The HMD Barbie features a 2.8-inch primary display inside the flip, and there is 1.77-inch secondary reflective mirror display on the top of the flip that shows time and notifications. Under the hood, the phone is powered by UniSoC T107 chipset, paired with 64 MB of RAM and 128 MB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 32 GB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the HMD Barbie sports a single 0.3 megapixel camera on the rear, with LED flash to take bright images in low light conditions. The device comes backed by 1,450 mAh battery, and the company claims to offer up to 9 hours of talk time on a single charge, and it runs on S30 Plus operating system on the top. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Bluetooth 5.0, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this phone measures at 18.4 by 55.1 by 18.9 mm when folded, and when it is unfolded it measures at 201 by 55.1 by 10.9 mm, and it weighs around 123.5 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of this phone. The HMD Barbie has been priced as follows. And it is now available for purchase in some region in single power pink color option. So, what do you guys think of this HMD Barbie phone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.